Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a iiiF150 R2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and now scroll and find the display. Now we have to scroll down and find the night light option and simply tap on the switcher. You can see that the screen turns yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Of course, you can customize it. Simply enter the night light. And here we've got the intensity switcher. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. It's almost orange. So here we can also schedule that feature. So the none option is manual option. You have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time, so basically you can choose the start and the end time, and here from sunset to sunrise, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, and it will apply the night light accordingly. So this is the whole customization of this feature, and of course you can have much faster access to it. Simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and let's find the night light, which is in my case right here. If you cannot find this toggle, no worries, simply tap on this edit icon and then you will be able to find it. So let's simply tap on it, and you can see that you can immediately apply the night light and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.